What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the third video of the 6-part series I'm making for skateboarding beginners. In today's video is going to be a lot of fun. You can expect many tricks and few tips. So let's get to it. Today's first trick we'll be learning is called PP jump down the curb. Now this trick is super easy. You just need to jump while going down the curb, and it's super useful if you think you might fall. It's the perfect trick to use. So let's get to it. Now what you need to do in this trick is you need to take a good run up. Say like when you're going down, say go a little fast. Okay? You're going. Let the skateboard go down the curb. You let the skateboard go down the curb, and while you're at the curb, you need to jump back to your skateboard. Okay, it's that simple. So I'm going to give you a demonstration of how to do it. Now for the second trick of this video, it's called firecracker. Firecracker is a basic trick where you just go down a few stairs while on your board. So basically you just go to second position. Okay. You go to second position while riding it. Put your back foot a little more on the tail, okay, and go down. So just practice slow. Take a little forward move. 1, 2, and 3. Go down like this. It's simple enough. For fast it'll be really cool. So I'm just going to show it to you all. I'm going to demonstrate the trick to you all.
You heard about me and my beard. I'm just trying to chill. Cause lately
Now what kind of injuries can you expect and how to tackle them? Now first talk about the minor injuries. If you fall down, get a scrape on your elbow, knee, or anywhere part of your body, get a scratch, okay? It might burn, so just put some ointment, tape it up, okay? And you can continue skateboarding. It's not that big deal. It's minor if you like fall, okay? Now little more, major. Like if you fall, get a sprain on your neck, on your back, or anywhere you pull some muscle of yours, okay? Again, put a spray, put like a relief spray, massage it a bit. If it's a little extreme, take a little rest, okay? Take a rest from the skateboarding for that day. Or if it gets worse, then go to your doctor. That also implies for the major injuries. If you like break your back, for example, I have done that, so I know how it feels. I was on bed rest for 10 days. Trust me, you don't want to do that, so just be safe. So those are the major injuries. You can like break your leg or something, okay? But that's an extreme case. You don't need to worry about that. If you do, immediately go to the doctor, okay? Immediately. That's all for you. That's all you need to know for injuries and how to tackle with them. Now for the third trick we'll be learning in today's video is called the bomb drop. Now the bomb drop is all about balance and accuracy. What you basically need to do is while you're on a high surface, you need to hold a skateboard, put it down and land with both feet together while you touch the ground. So I know it sounds complicated, but it's not, trust me. Okay, so you put your skateboard down, throw it down, okay? Throw it down and your both feet land on the skateboard with the both feet. It's that simple. Now I'm going to give you a demonstration, okay? And remember to land in second position, okay? Make a stance in second position. Now for the last and final trick of the video, which is called the caveman. Now the caveman is a simple trick. You just need to lift your skateboard and jump on it. It's like the bomb drop, but here you're just doing it with your hands and on a normal surface. Okay, so you lift the skateboard with the hand of your front foot. So I'm a regular, so I ride like this. So you lift it with your front foot, okay, and you just drop the skateboard down. Okay, leave it, okay, just like leave the skateboard and land your both feet on the ground when your skateboard. So I'll just give you a demonstration real quick. So that's what you need to do. It's that simple.
turn out and you heard about me and my beard. I'm just trying to chill.
Maintaining your skateboard is the most important while you're skateboarding, because if you don't maintain properly, it might get damaged and you will have to buy a new one, which I'm pretty sure you don't want to do that. Now always remember not to drop any water, not to skateboard in the rain, because your skateboard will get damaged, because basically skateboard is made out of wood, and if you put water on wood, the skateboard will expand and get damaged. Also remember, if you want to wipe your skateboard, wipe the behind with a dry cloth. Never wipe the grip tip, because grip tip is like a sand like material, So if you put it, you'll get the stains or the cloth will come on the grip tape and stay there. It's really tough to remove it. So that's all you need to know. Don't drop it from high grounds. That's also very bad for skateboard. That's all you need to know for maintaining your skateboard. That's all. Thank you. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something from it. If you want to click the next video, click right here. If you want to see the previous video, click right here. Found it. Noggin. See y'all.